we can see that we have a 10 kilohertz signal on the PWM. Our LCD is displaying things, so we know that TWI is functioning properly. If I now go and turn on the signal generator, we can see that we now display a speed, and if I change the frequency on the generator, you can see that speed changes as well, increasing frequency and decreasing. Now if I set the frequency of the generator up really high to say the equivalent of 60 miles per hour, we can watch that distance indicator slowly count up. Now, we also have a battery indicator which is connected to the red wire here. So if I connect that to power, you can see that it jumps up. If I disconnect it, it goes back down to a lower value. So that is showing that it is reading the battery voltage correctly. That's just the raw output of the reading. It has not yet been converted to an actual percentage. Now, if I go to my throttle and brake controls, this was the throttle, this is the brake. If I adjust my throttle, you can see that on the oscilloscope my pulse width increases. So this is me turning up the motor. And it goes back down if I turn it the other way. So let's put it at about 50%. So now if I'm braking, I don't want the motor to be running. So if I turn the brake, you can see that the pulse width instantly drops to 0, and that the LED that is connected to the braking signal turns off. Now if I go off the brake, that jumps back and the LED turns back on. Again, brakes active, no brakes. So that is my block test. See if there's anything else. I believe that's it. So thank you. Yay,